The U.S. Air Force and Raytheon have trialed the service's first high-energy laser weapon during live-fire exercises at White Sands Missile Range, New Mexico. Known as the H-4, the capability is the first 10-kilowatt laser developed, according to U.S. military requirements, in a standalone configuration. These specifications enable mobility for the weapon, allowing users to move and mount the system anywhere it is needed. H-4 laser weapon. H-4 serves as the fourth operational laser weapon system Raytheon has delivered to the Air Force. It is also the eighth system the company has handed to the U.S. Department of Defense. The laser weapon is built for securing military assets and personnel against short-range aerial threats. It has a compact design to fit on a pickup truck bed. The system comprises a high-energy laser weapon module, internal electrical power, targeting software, and a long-range electro-optical sensor, beam director pack for tough combat conditions. H-4 is operated through a laptop and a video game-style console. Furthermore, it can be plugged into existing air defense and command and control platforms for an added layer of defense. H-4 has passed the U.S. Air Force's test and assessment plan, which evaluated the system's ability to locate, track, and intercept drone targets in short-range attack, swarm attack, and long-range threat scenarios. It was produced in the world's first laser weapon facility in McKinney, Texas, and delivered to the U.S. Air Force 9 months after the order. Anywhere the Air Force sees a threat from drones, they now have 4 proven laser weapons that can be deployed to stop asymmetrical threats. Raytheon Technologies high-energy lasers senior director Michael Hoffel stated, whether it's on a fixed location, a flatbed, or even a pickup, these laser weapons are compact, rugged, and ready to go. That's why we're proud to support the Air Force's effort to provide this new tech to the personnel who need it in the field, who can trust and be confident in the system's capabilities. Thanks for watching.